Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. I'm Tim and I've got something fun and exciting to share with you guys today. I have been double dog dared to participate in an AMT 40 Ford challenge. That's right, double dog dared. Well, I said no originally at first because I got rid of both my AMT 40 Ford sedan deliveries. I gave one away in a contest I had, a giveaway, and I sold one just the other month at a model contest I set up for as a vendor. So I didn't have any 40 Fords, no AMTs, no Revels, no nothing. So old Luka Cee contacted me and wanted to be in this, and I kept saying no. Oh, he ended up double dog daring me, and he says, if I send you something, will you participate in the challenge? What can you say? So here's what he sent me. I don't know, it says a box of crap on it. This is it. It definitely is a lot smaller than a model box, but he promises there's a 40 Ford in here some way, shape, or form. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. And he's got this thing taped up like Fort Knox. Now I haven't opened this obviously, so I don't know what's in here. I don't know if there's a snake that's going to pop out or what. Okay, we got a note. To my favorite YouTuber, Model Car Videos. Well, that's Matthew's channel. That ain't my channel. Okay. Well, maybe I got the wrong package. Here's what we're dealing with. It's packed well. Oh. We've got a chassis. Nothing else in the box. This is what we got. Now this is taped up too. Oh my goodness. Here's what we're dealing with. Another 40 sedan. And some parts of some stuff. Okay, this is what we got. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, we're going to make this a really fun a build here. This video had to come out today on the 15th of September. And on this challenge, we have until January 15th to finish this. There's several of us guys participating. I'll put the links down below of the guys that I know that are participating in this challenge. This is what I got to deal with. I said I'd do it. He sent me this. So here's where it's fun. I'm going to ask you guys to go ahead and participate down below on, should I build this thing as a rat rod or a gasser? Let me know in the comments below. Vote early, vote often. So next month, on October 15th, I'll put out a video of the results of which wins, and then I will start working on this thing and make it either a crusty old rat rod or a gasser. That's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna have fun with this.